Hello, everyone. I'm Emma, and I'm excited to see you today. How are you, Jake?
Hi, Emma. I'm great, thanks. Ready to dive into some English lessons?
Absolutely. Today, we're exploring linking words, particularly those that express cause and effect. Sounds interesting, right?
Definitely. Linking words can really help in making our sentences clearer and connecting our ideas. What's first?
We'll start with a quick grammar introduction. Linking words can indicate a reason or a result. For example, if it rains, there could be flooding.
And we can say, it rains. As a result, there is flooding. That's a perfect example, right?
Exactly. The words we use help us understand why something happens. Let's try some examples to make it clearer.
Sure. Can we use owing to in an example? Like, owing to heavy rain, the match was cancelled.
Perfect. Now, let's add consequently to. It rained heavily. Consequently, the match was cancelled.
That makes sense. I like how we express different causes and their effects. What else can we explore?
Let's move to a dialogue that will help us practice. Imagine we're at a cafe. Jake, you just ordered a big cake. Why?
I ordered it because I have friends coming over. I want to impress them.
Nice. And what do you think will happen if they enjoy it?
If they enjoy it, I believe they will come over more often. They will want to taste my cooking.
Absolutely. As a result, they will come over more often. How does that sound?
It sounds great. And if they come over often, consequently, we'll have lots of fun.
That's right. You can connect those ideas. Now, let's say they don't like the cake.
Oh no. If they don't like the cake, they won't come over again. That would be bad.
Exactly. Hence, it's important to impress your friends. What would you do next?
I would try baking a different cake. Owing to the feedback, I will adjust my recipe.
Well done. You used owing to perfectly. What if they ask for more food next time?
If they ask for more food, I'll feel happy because it means they enjoyed eating.
Exactly. You can say, as a result, I will prepare more dishes. Would you like to try other examples?
Sure, let's think. If we invite others too, there will be a bigger group. Hence, more fun.
Great. And more people might lead to more chaos, right?
Yes. If there's chaos, we might burn the cake. Consequently, it won't be a good evening.
That's a fun and relatable scenario. Now, let's move to an explanation of how these linking words work. Linking words connect ideas and provide clarity about cause and effect. For example, it was very cold, consequently, we stayed indoors.
So, it highlights the effect of the cold weather?
Exactly. Another example is, the concert was cancelled due to heavy rain. This shows the reason for cancellation.
And can we say, owing to the cancellation, we went to a movie instead?
Perfect. That shows the alternative action because of the first event. Also, hence, we had a great time, connects back to the new activity.
I see. So, we can use, as a result, in many situations, right?
Yes. It's versatile. For instance, he studied hard, and as a result, he passed the exam.
That's clear. We can summarize it. These linking words are essential for expressing cause and effect.
Absolutely. Next, let's explore some vocabulary examples together. Let's start with consequently. Here are some examples. She missed the bus. Consequently, she was late.
Nice. Another could be, he forgot his umbrella. Consequently, he got wet.
Great one. We can also say, they didn't study. Consequently, they failed the exam.
These examples really show the cause and effect clearly. What's next?
Next is, as a result. For instance, she worked overtime, and as a result, she earned extra money.
I like that. We could also say, he exercised regularly, and as a result, he lost weight.
Exactly. And how about, the team trained hard, and as a result, they won the championship?
These sentences flow beautifully. What's the next word?
Owing to is next. For example, owing to the storm, the flight was delayed.
That works well. What about, owing to a lack of resources, the project was postponed?
Great job. And, owing to her efforts, the team succeeded. That emphasizes her contribution.
That's a good one. Moving on to, due to, next?
Yes. For example, the game was cancelled due to bad weather.
I can say, the meeting was postponed due to unforeseen circumstances.
Exactly. Another example could be, many roads were closed due to construction.
Due to is quite common. Lastly, what about hence?
Hence is a bit formal, but useful. For instance, he was late, hence my concern.
That's a good one. Another could be, she didn't like her job, hence, she decided to leave.
Exactly. And we can say, he lost his wallet, hence, he couldn't buy lunch.
These sentences make it so clear how to use each word effectively. Ready for a review now?
Yes. Let's see how you do. First question. Can you complete this? The weather was terrible, blank, we stayed inside.
As a result, we stayed inside.
That's right. Next. How about this? He was late, blank, traffic.
Owing to traffic. I think I got it.
Perfect. Next. The project failed, blank, a lack of funding.
Due to a lack of funding.
Excellent. Next. Complete this. She studied hard, blank, she passed her exams.
Consequently, she passed her exams. Yes.
That's wonderful. Final question. He missed the bus, blank, he was late for work.
Hence, he was late for work.
Perfect. You did fantastic with these questions. Closing off, Jake, do you have any thoughts?
It's been a great lesson. Understanding linking words makes our English much clearer.
Absolutely. In our next lesson, we'll explore expressing opinions. I can't wait.
Me too. Let's prepare for that. See you next time.
Take care, everyone. Bye.